zippity zoom, a zoom, a zoom, a zoom, zippity zoom, a zoom, a zoom, a zoom, zippity zoom, a zoom, a zoom, a zoom, zippity zoom, a zoom, a zoom, a zoom.
We bop and zippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and zippity zoom.
What's up, guys, and good morning. Today is a wonderful day. Today is actually Tuesday, and the video for today has already gone up. And I want to show you guys why I'm home, even though I'm normally home at this time, why I've been home all day. That's all snow. You can barely see anything through the window. So I'm going to go out there, and let's see if I can even make it out if not, the doors aren't blocked in. Let's go.
Love is sweet, love and works, one. We bop and zippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and zippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
A zoom, a zoom, a zoom, zippity zoom, 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 zoom, a zoom, a zoom.
We bop and zippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and zippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is man works, one. We bop and zippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and zippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
Alright. This is awful. Let's go check in the cars. Funny. This house. Ugh. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like a snow apocalypse. There's my car. That's insane though. There's my mirror. Ugh. Oh, fuck. That's my hip right there. Ugh. Oh my god. Ugh. I can make it. It's above my hip right now, but there's my mirror. There's my car mirror. Look at it. It's a wonderful car mirror. My car's completely buried. Oh, actually, the snow makes a great seat. Look, I'm sitting in the snow. It made a seat for me because I'm stuck. Alright, let's get out. Let's go see if they plowed the roads because you can't see from here. Ugh. I can only stand on the mounds. That is so funny. It's a single car road now. Insane. This is the biggest snowstorm of the year.
Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Anyone here? Ooh, ripstick. Nothing in here. Let's grab a sled. Let's see if this is sleddable or not. Ugh. Oh, fingers cold. So we have to go in pretty soon, because I might get frostbite. But before then, we need to try and sled. Ugh. Oh fuck, snow still got my eye. I'm wearing sunglasses and got right through it. Okay. So much it sinks. Oh yeah. It's sitting on the surface. Let's go. Oh, my hands hurt so much, man. Just gotta use those thrusts. Oh, my hands are freezing. I'm going under the snow. Oh shit, I hit the driveway, I think. Ugh. Oh, go in there. You disappoint me. I need to escape. It's cold. Seriously, it's like way cold. I'm going in. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Other ankle broke free. Oh, this is so cold. Move, Willers. Oh, yeah. The snow between the cars is almost the height of me. And I've got ice cubes around my ankles. Alright, so now I'm back inside. It is so brutal out there. It is ridiculous. Like my fingers. Like normally when I go outside I'm fine. I usually wear gloves too, but I went outside and the moment I went outside, my hands already felt cold. And just walking through holding the camera, my pointer finger felt like it died for a second. It was incredibly painful. And then when I came back inside, it was painful and like burning. Which the burning's normal because that's just your hand thawing. But oh my god, that fucking sucked.
I just finished editing the video and it looks so much better than I thought it was going to be. You guys can see those giant piles of snow. Right now, there's still a lot of snow outside. There's probably about the same amount, but we did get the driveway clear thanks to one of my friends up the street who has this like awesome machine thingy that's amazing. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to add me on Snapchat. I'll put the thing right here. Go on Instagram to see more of my car. It's not really in this video, but might as well just put that up there. And add me on Twitter just to see what I'm doing every day and tweeting, honestly. I just retweet a lot of shit. So, Thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video, subscribe down below, and peace out.
Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah,